Sharma. We are representing a MIT app, MIT application. Our app application name is the MIT Mini World. Our application of guide members are Divya Sharma, Akshit Rajare, Ashutosh Gupta, Bharatdeep Rastogi. Now I'll show you my app. Here is the app. This is a APK folder. This is the app. When we click on this interface will show. These are the modules of our app. First is the student login. In this, when we click on this, the data is on the server from which it is fetched. When we write our roll number and the father's name, the data is fetched on the student. The unique student ID is created. By that, the student can search their attendance and the roll number and the marks. Like I fed the roll number in this and the father's name in this, and we are searching on this, then the attendance and the marks will be represented over here. This is the marks and the attendance of the student, of which I have filled the roll number and the father's name. This is the unique ID is created in this, and from the server, the data has been fetched and we come to here. Now the second module of our application is courses. All the courses in the MIT, whatever the courses in MIT are there, if the student do not know anything about the MIT, then they can get all the information over here. Like the BTech courses, what are the courses in the BTech are there? Like the computer science, all the facilities provided in the computer science, labs, laboratories, and all the things it can be given over here. Now the EC, all the same information about the EC, whatever the facilities we have given in the EC and all the things. These are all the modules. Should I explain all the modules or is it okay? Okay.
Move to the next module.
Then MBA, these are also, and the eligibility criteria, for the eligibility criteria. Now the staff room. Here the information about the CSIT faculties are there. Here is the history of the MIT, when MIT has started and all the things about the MIT. It's a gallery with the pics of all the infrastructure, all the curricular activities and the canteen, library. Like I'll show you of the infrastructure, like A block, B block, C block, all the blocks, all the pictures we were given in the magazine, they were over here. Okay. Should I show you all the pics or it's okay? Okay. It is also the dynamic module. It's a news module. Here we get the news of the UPT. All the news from the UPT will be represented over here. It's going to be okay. See, all the news of the UPTs are. Here is a notice board. It is also the dynamic module. All the notices which are written on the notice board here. Students need no need to come over here and see the notices. They can just see their cultural activities, their PUD schemes and the CET schedules. All the informations are written over here in the notice board. Now the about us. In this the about MIT is always there, like the government recognized infrastructure, facilities, what are the facilities over here, and all the things about the MIT which a student do not know, or it is also a promotional app. The people who do not know, except the dynamic module, they can search the static module, they can open the static module, they can know all the things about MIT.
How can we get this app?
By the APK folder we have given the APK folder on the MIT website. You can download the APK folder and you access this app. But the limitation is there that the network is internet is there and the Android phone should be there.